Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Nikhil Kumar. In today's video, we will explore how you can prioritize workloads in Kubernetes using priority classes, especially important if you're preparing for a CKA exam. Yes, this topic is now officially included, so stay tuned for a practical walkthrough and demo. As of recent updates, priority class is a part of a CKA exam, so you should understand how to create a priority class, how to use them, and how Kubernetes evicts low priority pods under resource pressure. In Kubernetes, when your cluster runs low on resources, some pods might need to be evicted to free up space. Priority class lets you tell Kubernetes which pods are more important. Higher priority pods are less likely to be evicted, and lower priority pods are the first to go when resources are less. How priority class works? Each pod can be assigned a priority value, a plain integer. The higher the number, the higher the priority. The default priority is usually 0 if you don't specify the 1. And the priority classes also let you attach a meaningful name instead of just numbers. Now let's create a priority class called high priority with a value of 10,000. So let me create a file that is high-priority.yml. So first of all, we need to specify the API version, that is scheduling.kts.io/v1. This tells Kubernetes we are defining a scheduling related resources. Then we have a kind, and here we need to specify the priority class. That's a type of object we are creating. Then we need to specify the metadata, and under this we need to specify the name, that is high-priority. Now the important parts comes. So we need to specify the value, that is 1 lakh. This is the priority score. Higher the numbers means higher the priority. Then we have a global default keyword, and I'm setting up as false. This means pods must explicitly reference these priority classes. It won't be used by default. Then we are going to provide a description. So it's just for a human readable comment for the clarity. So I'm giving this priority class is for important workloads. Now let's save and exit, and let's apply this manifest file kubectl apply -f high-priority.yml. The priority class got created. Let's check it. Kubectl get priority classes, and we can see the high priority class got created, and we can see there are two other priority class is been there, which is by default created by the Kubernetes cluster. Now let's create a pod that uses this priority class. So let me create one file, high-priority-pod.yml. So let me specify the API version, that is v1, then kind, that is pod, and the metadata, and specifying the name high-priority-pod and the spec. So here first of all I am setting up the priority class name, and the class name is high-priority. Then the rest of thing will remain same, that is containers. Then we need to specify the name, that is busybox. I'm giving because I'm using the image, that is busybox, and I'm specifying the command, and I'm going to run a shell and running an infinite loop while true, and doing the echo. running high priority pod, and it will be sleeping for 5 seconds and done. So let me save and exit, and let's apply this manifest file as well. kubectl apply -f high priority -pod.yml. The pod got created. Let's verify this, and we can see the high priority pod is running fine. Now, if your cluster runs out of memory or the CPU, the scheduler prefers to keep the high priority pods running and evicts the low priority pods first. So in short, priority class lets you assign importance to the pod. Higher priority means less chance of eviction. It's super useful for production workloads that must stay running. And that's how priority class works in Kubernetes. If you are preparing for the CKA, this is a must-known topic. Hope you enjoyed this deep dive. If you like this video, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.